Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep
from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we'll wait.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in here. Karibu sana if you're new. Today I'm just going to take you through my day, how it will be. So I'm starting my day while washing utensils, and then on the side I will be preparing breakfast, and also preparing breakfast, and also I take more in the morning. Before anything else, I take lemon with coffee. So you guys, I just want to tell me in the comment section if you are taking that combo, how is it working for you? Is it helping you? Please let's chat in the comment section. So I want to be like quick as possible because we're heading to Nakuru, and I need to be as early because we are meeting at 8 a.m. and it's already 5:30. So I want to do this, clear the utensils, wash the house, like I leave the house as clean. That's what I usually do. So I'm just taking you through the day. I'll be taking tea with sweet potatoes, but on the side I'm just boiling my greens so that I can store them, you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm preparing now. Let me take this opportunity to welcome the new people who have arrived. Thank you so much for choosing this channel, you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe. And also there is a membership that you can join and help support the channel, guys. It's written in blue. When you click my channel and you see a join channel, you can as well join and support me, you guys. So the house is clean. When you see the utensils are clean, just know the house is clean. So let's go, you guys. I cannot show you when I'm preparing because my time was not on my side. So let's go.
Few moments later.
I'm so cold. Yeah, my heart's sinking like a storm. Cold. I'm so cold. Yeah, my heart's sinking like a storm.
So we started the journey quite well. At around 8 a.m. we had met, and then we started our journey. So this road, before even we reached where we were going, you see like this one, the way it's really cold. It's Kimende, like you guys, it's really cold, like you cannot even see in front. And then there are some places whereby there was sunshine, and then there were some other places whereby there was raining. So there was all this in between. And then you guys, we had fun at the road, but when we reached to Naivasha, there was a long traffic which had started like the previous night and had not yet ended. We had to find another alternative route so that we can get to where we were. So it was so bad, and at the same time it was good because we experienced every kind of thing during the trip. So when you just pass where you're going to Nakuru, Naivasha and all, you cannot miss going to the Viewpoint. So here we are just taking some pictures because that's what most of the people when you come here they do. You take pictures. There's a Chero shop where you can buy African items. So yeah, so we had to do that in the window shop and buy some stuff. And here we go, guys. guys, we've arrived at our destination.
Welcome. Welcome to Nakuru.
Our host had done an amazing job, you guys, preparing food for us because we were really hungry. We were arriving there at around 2:30 p.m. and it was really late for us. We thought we will be there earlier, but you know, you cannot know about anything about the roads. So this is the food that we were eating. There was chapati, kuku, there was all kind of salads, there was the pili pili, and you know, sweet things, you guys. So hi guys, it's already in the evening, you guys, and this is a time that I'm getting time to vlog because we reached here with a long of, like, there was a lot of traffic around Naivasha and it was really stressing. So today, guys, I just wanted to do, I don't know if there's a good lighting, I just wanted to show you, it's a 3-bedroom apartment and I wanted to show you around. So that, you know, like, it's support each other if you have something. So I'm supporting my fellow YouTuber. She's known as Chero Ngeno, and yeah, she owns houses here, and this is where I'll be spending my night for, like, yeah, I have just only 2 nights and then I leave. And yeah, so I'm very grateful about this. Let me just show you. I think this is the master bedroom. Let me just show you around. So guys, this is the master bedroom, and what you see as you come in is a 6x6 bed, and then the theme here it's maroon. So she has blended plain maroon with a little bit of checked and white curtains. I hope that the lighting is good because I was filming this at 6:30 p.m. so the lighting was not that good. So this is it.
Could you pass a lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up the sides.
She has blended with this maroon fluffy carpet, and then on the side, this is where you get like a small dressing table, yeah, and a mirror. And then on the side, you see some is it wardrobe or a cabinet? Yeah, a big one. This one, you can fit everything, like, you guys. This house is really spacious.
What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild.
So next we are going to the toilet and the bathroom. It's the toilet stroke bathroom, and it's so huge. Yeah, so don't mind of how it's looking because we've already used this place. We came and we, like, settled down. So that is it. And then on the side, that's where the bathroom is, and the shower curtain is popping.
Like a soup, put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Baby, I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution.
So you can see through
for a group of people.
that, you can see just a long runner. I love it. And then let's go to this second bedroom. So this second bedroom, it's mustard. The theme is mustard going on, and I'm just standing in front of the door, and this is how cute it is, you guys. Look, all the rooms have 6x6 beds, so even if you're many, you guys will fit, let me tell you, because as we are fitting here. So this is now what I'm talking about. You can see the mustard, and she has blended with this is it a checked curtain, and I love it, so cute, I love it. And then on the other side, there's like this drawer. You can do your makeup here, yeah. And then there's a small mirror. Woohoo! Yeah, it is. And then there's this for lighting, yeah. And then this is where the wardrobe is, just if you have clothes and all. We've already packed our things, you guys, and they offer us towels and everything, but if you've carried, you just pack your things from there. Yeah, so there's nothing much. And then there's this carpet, fluffy one also, but this one, because this room is more of beige and mustard, so here it is, you guys. Yeah, so that's how cute it is, you guys. This is how cute. Let me give you an overview.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
So guys, we are in the living room. So it's the one side is dining area, whereby but we don't have a dining set for now, and then the sink is on the left, and then the other side is the living room. You can see it also has another color that she's trying to blend with red. So this is how spacious it is, guys, and there are my girls chilling and having fun.
Aspirations, I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal,
So here is Zane and her mama. They're enjoying. And this is the owner of Serene Homes.
Hi guys. So this is Chero Ngeno of Chero Ngeno. My YouTube channel is Chero Ngeno, and this is my Airbnb. So whenever you're in Nakuru and you're looking for a place to stay, kindly get in touch with me and I will sort you out.
Yes, guys, I will link everything in the description box and also on the screen running. Guys, you can check Serene Homes on IG. It's an Airbnb, guys. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, and you have seen how spacious and good looking it is. Even if you're many, guys, you will fit and enjoy yourselves in Nakuru. Make sure you check her out. The YouTube channel is Chero Ngeno, and also on IG Serene Homes. So yeah, so this is the theme also for the living room. It's blue. You can see the wing chair, how cute it is. It's blending with the curtains, and then there are my girls just chilling. So it's also matching the dining vision. So let's see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.